I'm on track to having the biggest financial month of 2024. I've been buying the best levels to be trading at. I've been having patience. I've been hitting the best levels with size, and this is going to carry me over to the next month. If you've been following my YouTube channel, I have been giving you guys gold. I have been giving you the best freaking setups to be trading at. There's so many micro levels, but the macro levels hit, and today just goes to show that we have been making an absolute bag. What is going on, traders? We guys crushed it today. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the trades I ended up taking today, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices. The Daily Sniper has a monthly subscription right now, 50% off. Use code YouTube at checkout. Let's get into today's video. So, I just gotta brush off my shoulders a little bit because we had calls at the absolute low of the day today. I ended up alerting live on live stream to the Discord, myself and Dimitri, 520 calls. Not only did we alert the 520 calls, we told everyone, do not short this. At 10 a.m. Eastern time, 30 minutes in the market open, I said my price target for today is 530. Look at the chart. We ended up getting into the first trades I ended up getting to. I'm going to show you in the 1 minute today, or just off the morning, guys. As soon as we ended up breaking up, and we hit 520.50, I ended up alerting puts to the Discord live on live stream, and I made an absolute bag. Not only that, the next trade, I ended up using the 30-minute time, or the 5-minute time frame, sorry. Right here, this candle, sorry, it's a lot of, you know what, I'm just going to take off this, okay? So, on this candle, we ended up coming back up to the 520 level, okay? We broke down here. We came back up. I got calls. And then as soon as I saw weakness at this double top, I told everyone, get out, get out, get out, get out. This is going to dump. It dumped. And then we had a nice bullish candle of a reversal trend, right? As soon as we ended up dipping back down to this body, I alerted 520 calls. I told everyone I have a deep price target. If we break 520, SPY is going to skyrocket. And since my entry, it was 11-point move. But we knew this, right? We knew this was going to happen. Dimitri and myself were extremely bullish on the day. We ended up alerting calls, guys. Call options right here. This, as soon as we dipped down, this is where I bought 519.30s. That's where I alerted live. And if you don't believe me, I had a bunch of people thanking me today, especially just one person, Danny, first day back, guys. Look how much money he made today, $10,400. Absolutely crushed it today. We do this every single day because I'm buying and waiting for the best levels. And if I end up being wrong, like I was wrong in the morning, I bought calls. And as soon as I was able to identify, and this is the most important part, as soon as I was able to identify weakness, I told everyone, get out, get out, get out, get out, let's wait. And then we had the bullish confirmation. As soon as it came back down, guys, the rest is history. This move, look where we bought in at, right here. Look where it went to. Sorry, this is a over a $10 move, just shy of $11, right? This is why I had a 5-figure day today. And I'm not even done yet. Because if you've been watching my videos, I gave you guys the best short yesterday. I told you guys what I was looking at. 529 to 530 is going to be the level of shorts, a level of interest to be shorting the market. And where did I get this level? Look left. Look at Friday's lows. Look where we came. And it's okay if you missed the first move, right? Look at the 30-minute candle. It's okay if you miss this candle. Just say you missed your entry, which I preach. If you miss your entry, don't buy it, right? We had a bearish confirmation 30-minute candle. What was the next candle? A bearish 30-minute confirmation candle. Look at the next candle, a death candle. There was no reason to sell your puts. Even though we dipped down and bounced back up, the 30-minute time frame still gave us confirmation of bearishness. So where did I end up buying in? I brought 527 puts disgustingly in the money. And I don't have to do anything else because today I made a bag. I made a bag today buying calls. We made an absolute bag. 520 calls, went 10 points in the money. Just shy of 10 points in the money. I made 5 figures on the day today. And then just for fun, because I saw the bearishness, I ended up bringing 527 puts deep in the money. Right? You need to have a game plan. You need to execute it. What are we looking at for tomorrow? What do I see? So currently, if you look at the daily time frame, the daily time frame looks rough, right? I told the entire Discord today. I'm just gonna find it for you guys so you don't think I'm capping. Right here. Right? I said we're going to 500 to 503 in my opinion. Tagged everyone in it, right? I also told everyone as the stock market was crashing that it's going to 524 to 523.50, right? That's just something what I do. Now let's look at why I came up with that. The 200 EMA on the daily, we've known, have history to respect it. This red line, right? We touch it, we bounce, sometimes we break it, but we end up coming back to trend. Every single time. Look at the history of the 200 EMA on the SPY, right? And so far, we just rejected the 100 moving average on the daily time frame. So where's that going to bring us? Most likely the 200 EMA to the 200 moving average. With such a big rejection, that's just what we're looking at, okay? I could be wrong. I am a little bit bullish on the market at these levels. I do think this is a massive overreaction play, but what is not an overreaction is $2 trillion leaving the market, right? Not an overreaction. That's a fact, right? It's a known fact. So we don't want to be buying the dip because the dip may not be bought. So we want to be using our confirmation. That is why we ended up shorting because we are bearish. So once we ripped up to the lows of Friday to get puts. And that's why we're having this deep sell-off at the moment. What is the game plan moving forward? Straight and simple. Okay, let's make this chart messy again. So we ended up rejecting from Friday's lows, okay? So let's look at all the touch points that we have today. Let's look at them. Where do we have the most touch points? We have a lot of touch points at 528.18. Mark that down. Where's next? We have a lot of touch points of support and rejection at 526.50. Write that down. Then we have another key level here at 525. Previous support, and then we rejected it. So now I'm going to make 525 a big level because we held it as support. We broke through it, came back up, retested. 525 is a massive level. Write that down. Let's start zooming out. Where's the next touch points? 523.65. Why? Because we held it support in the morning, right? We had massive resistance in the morning as well. We broke through it, came back up, retest. 523.65 is a massive level. Let's keep going down. 522, previous resistance, previous support. This is also a decent level. And in the pre-market and after hours, we were hugging 522. So 522 is going to be my biggest make or break level for SPY. To the upside, we ended up closing at 522.15. So just call it 522, okay? You know what? Let's just make it right now so no one gets confused. The biggest level that we were hugging is 522.15, a strategy that I've been teaching for multiple years. It's called the gap close reversal. Okay, so where SPY or any stock closes, if we gap above it and come back down to it, we're hitting the reversing, we're hitting calls. If we gap beneath the previous closing price and come up to it, we're hitting puts. And I feel that tomorrow the gap close reversal is going to work perfectly. But what also we could be using is something called a gap and go. We could break through the previous closing price, come back down, and continue the direction. Come up to previous closing price, come back down, or go up against it, reject it, and go with the flow. There's two situations that are going to happen. It's either going to be a gap and go, or it's going to be a gap close reversal. and I live stream every single day with Dimitri, guys. We are spoon feeding people. This is for live callouts, this Discord. We're here for education, for options trading. But if you do trade futures, we're also here to help you guys, okay? The Daily Sniper, as of right now, we have a masterclass. We have a mentorship boot camp, a 4-week boot camp. That link is in the description below as well if you click the WAP link. But if you just want to learn and to start dabbling into options trading and to have mentors that will help walk you through each trade, live speaking through you live, guys, the monthly subscription is all you guys need. YouTube promo code, enter that in the bio, guys. Save 50% off. And that is it today, guys. I'm going to be live streaming tomorrow morning at 9:15 Eastern time, 15 minutes before market open, and I'll give you my game plan. I don't know where SPY's opening up, but I'm extremely bearish at the close today. So we will make our game plan first thing in the morning. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. 9:15 Eastern time, 15 minutes before market open. Every single day, I will be live on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I appreciate it, and I will see everyone tomorrow. Take care and stay green, friends.